Please, no more money advice. Let's talk about it.
Here's my morning affirmation. Do. Thank God for letting me see another new day.
Hey, how you doing? It's Crystal with Miss SavingsAddict. Okay, now a lot of y'all know me from my other channel, Coffee Grind Gossip. You can still go over there and visit it. I won't have it up too long. No more money advice, as you can see the title. Let me tell you why I created that title. And it's because of what I've been reading. Realistically, a lot of people are getting tired of financial advice. Why? Financial advice is good, don't get me wrong, but it seems to be repetitious. Financial advisors, experts are pretty much saying the same thing here. This is what people are tired of, okay? Like I said, I like to get to the chase here. We're tired of hearing you got to cut costs to save. True, but realistically, that doesn't work for everybody. Or how about this one? Stay frugal. Stay frugal. Some of us are having a hard time trying to stay cheap. Save 30% of your income. You can, but try telling that to someone that only makes $15 or $17 an hour. Oh, the invasion of inflation. We know stuff is high. We know gas is high. We know food is high. Rent, mortgage, etc., etc. We know. And then here's my favorite one. You have to have $1,000 in an emergency fund. No, that's not true. I've been preaching emergency funds for the longest. $1,000, that's not true. Here's the thing I keep telling people. You know, it's everybody's financial situation is different. It's not one size fit all for everybody who has. If you're a high income, mid income, or lower income, you can jumpstart an emergency fund with only just $100 or $200. Yep, you sure can. And then you increase it as you go. Let me tell you some about doing financial content or even advising people how to do the basics of saving. It's not easy. It's not even, it could be an intimidating topic for some people. A lot of people are very, very emotional when it comes to money. I call it emotional money because when you mention any type of plans, present them a plan how to start saving, they'll listen, but it's up to them to get it in here. But if you overwhelm a person with the same repetitious ideas of what these financial advisors think that they should, how they should go or use their tactics, it gets overwhelming. And then before you know it, now think about this. I don't mean to change the subject, but see, now check this out. With all that financial content that we have on YouTube, how to do this and that, how to do this, and there's thousands of them, including little old me. Don't you think everybody would be on the straight path with their finances by now? You would think, right? But again, I meet people where they are in their financial situation because I'm also a financial coach, but I am a financial coach. I help people that's in the beginner stage. If you're a millionaire and got your 100,000, ain't no sin, don't come to me because I can't help you. That's just like me, a little mouse telling a fat rat where to get cheese at. So don't come. I'm not for you. I'm for the person who is struggling, trying to make $3 into $10. Okay, amen. That's where I come in. So how do I speak to somebody who makes $15, $17 an hour working full time and has bills, of course, but also has credit card debt? How do I advise them? Well, I have to start, first of all, be real compassionate. Let them know I done been in your shoes. I know what it's like to go in my bank account, and my bank account is in the negative. I've been there, done that. I was there 16, 17 years ago. Okay, so I identify with people, and I listen to their concern. And what I do, I like to do what I call a soft savings with them. People like to know how they can build the money that they have. When you tell someone, well, you have to put up this extra amount of money, a lot of people can't do $500 for an emergency fund. Some can, but I'm talking about the ones who can't do it. But I can teach them how to build $500 up with the little fund they have. And I do that by setting up a system. You've heard it. Pay yourself first. So I go teach them how to set up an account that when you get paid, okay, your direct deposit that you have designated is already in your account. That's your money. You already paid yourself first, and then the bills will get their money. So I do courses on that as well, okay? And finally, nothing against investment, because I got investments myself at my job, of course. If you are a person that has a lot of financial woes going on, you want to invest, don't let anybody talk you into investing money where you're at a point where you're trying to not only build up your savings but get out of debt at the same time. I just want, like, again, nothing against savings investment people, but to the people that's watching this video, don't let anybody talk you into investing if you're not comfortable. Okay, I will be doing more content. I'm going to do what you call the soft $7 savings. It's real easy for people who struggling just to save $5. Okay, I call this a $7 soft savings. It's real easy. $7 a day. If you do $7 a day for almost 365 days, I'll break down the math. You will get over $1,000 a year. Okay, so stay tuned. Thanks for checking on in, and remember, you make savings an addiction. All right. God bless y'all. Bye.